Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can change the order of pages on WordPress. So make sure to watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up your WordPress dashboard. From here, go to Pages option in the left side menu. Now click on it and you'll be brought to a list of all your pages. If you're seeing a different layout, just click like this one. Click on this view button and change the view mode to classic. Now click on the first page quick edit button. You will see a lot of options, but note the order column is displaying -1, but if you check the other pages, they will have the order 0. To change it, I'll change the order of other pages to 1 and 2 respectively. After clicking on update and refreshing the page, you will see the new order. Here you will see that the page beginning with B is following about page. That's because its parent page is about. Anyway, so that's how you can change the order of pages on WordPress. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.